How to sign up for Audible affiliate program step by step for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can sign up for Audible affiliate program in the easiest steps. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to audible.com and you're going to go to the Audible affiliate section. And once you're over here, it's going to give you 3 steps: advertise, drive traffic, earn. Okay, so you're just going to click on become an affiliate. So once you do that, it's going to ask you some basic questions. So it asks you to sign in with your Amazon. So all you're going to do is you're going to sign in with your Amazon account. And once you sign in with your Amazon account, basically that is all you're going to require to do. If you don't have an Amazon account, go ahead and create an Amazon account, and that will directly get you into Audible. It's an Amazon company, which is why it uses an Amazon password. So pretty convenient, pretty useful. So obviously you definitely have an Amazon account. Just go ahead, create it, use it to sign in into Audible. Basically, if there's Amazon Associates program, then there's Audible Creator Program. So Audible Creator Program basically is Amazon's associate program, but it has better rates and better assets. So yeah, just have a basic account for Amazon and you should be good to go. So yeah, basically just become an affiliate. You can drive visitors to Amazon.com using Audible links and banners. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you're going to sign up to Audible. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.